Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix Roblox when it says no internet connection. First, let's cover the basics. Always start by checking your device's internet connection to ensure it's active. Then, try restarting your router and modem. This simple step often resolves many network glitches. Finally, quickly check if Roblox servers are down, as this would prevent anyone from connecting. Next, let's troubleshoot your device and the Roblox application itself. A quick restart of the Roblox app or your entire device can often clear temporary software issues. It's also a good idea to clear the Roblox cache, as corrupted files can cause connection problems. Remember to disable any VPN or proxy services you might be using, as they can sometimes interfere with game connections. Now, let's dive into your network settings. Flushing your DNS cache can resolve issues with outdated IP addresses. You might also consider resetting your network settings to their default state, which can fix misconfigurations. As a temporary test, try disabling your firewall or antivirus software, as these can sometimes mistakenly block Roblox's connection. Just remember to re-enable them afterward for security. If you've tried everything else, a complete reinstallation of Roblox might be necessary to ensure all files are fresh and uncorrupted. If the issue still persists after all these steps, it's best to contact Roblox support directly for personalized assistance. They can offer more specific solutions. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.